continuing with our MCQ series Osteology Part 2, and each question will be given 20 seconds. You try to answer all the questions within 20 seconds. Those who don't have access to Dental Pulse, don't worry, we'll cover all the questions as much as possible. Starting with our first question. All these topics were discussed in a previous video and the link will be provided in the description box. The answer is D, mental foramen. Second question. The answer is A, between the roots of the premolars. Third question. Answer is B. Next one. All the figures are important so that you will know all these relations of the bones. Answer is A, maxilla and sphenoid bone. This question, hope you can see 1, 2 and 3 clearly. 1, 2 and this part 3. I'm giving extra time for this. Let's see the options. Again, I'll take you back to the picture. And the answer is C. That is, first one is your hyoid, second is your thyroid, and third is your cricoid cartilage. This is a very easy question. Answer is B, mandible. We did learn about the number of skull bones in an adult. Try to answer this one. Number of bones a neonate has in the skeleton. The answer is A, 270, and later on as an adult it fuses to 206 bones, and mainly the fusion occurs in hands and feet. So the answer is A. Last one in the series. Again, if you don't have theoretical knowledge, but all your figures will help you guess the answers. Answer is A, third cervical vertebra. Don't cram up everything you learn, just focus on the figures. We'll follow you up with more MCQs. Do check out our description box for the explanation to all the questions. And thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel because that will help us to provide you with more content. Thank you.